I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you.
Hey fams, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Hi, I hope you guys are having a good day. So I am going to be giving you guys like a quick power hour cleanup. Today I stayed home from work because my daughter was sick. She was not feeling good, so I figured I can get done the things that I need to get done today. And I just wanted to quickly go through the house and just kind of clean up downstairs and, you know, do some laundry because I had so much laundry to do, and kind of just get everything just cleaned out, dusted up, and, you know, vacuumed. I think it's just allergies that's going through everyone in the house, and just wanted to kind of lessen the allergens as much as possible. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, just kind of giving you guys like a quick cleanup, you know, power hour motivation cleaning. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and watch from beginning to end, and throw me up on your TV screen or tablet, wherever, whatever you watch your videos on, and definitely let's get motivated to clean together. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of cleaning motivation, home decor, tons of home decor, and some lifestyle videos here and there. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times weekly. Definitely go ahead and subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my episodes. I do also have another channel, and that channel is All Things Shushana, and I do sponsorship videos over on that channel. So make sure you subscribe as well if you are interested in finding out about some new products that is out there on the market. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Leave your name and where you are watching from, and definitely leave a comment down below.
Wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, when you are with me.
So you guys, I am so loving my new faucet. Oh my gosh, I am in love, obsessed with it, actually. I just love turning it on, turning it off, tapping it, and doing all the things to it. If you're interested in this faucet, by the way, you can find out the information about it on my other channel, All Things Shushana. I go in depth about this product and the company that provides it. It is absolutely beautiful, and it's such a practical faucet and very affordable. So definitely check out that channel if you want to know more.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. Baby, without.
So you guys, I found this new Windex, and it's like has vinegar supposedly within it, and it said it's supposed to be streak free. I don't know, maybe because I'm using it on my television, but it definitely left streaks. I am normally a Windex person. I love Windex, but I'm just gonna give it a try again. I'm gonna use it on some glass or mirror, you know, whatever, and see how it works. But as you can see, it definitely left some streaks on my television. Also, my television was hot, so that could also be another reason as to why it left the streaks. But I wasn't a fan of the vinegar situation. I know a lot of people are crazed about cleaning with vinegar, and I'm pretty sure it works and, you know, does all that they need it to be. But I like my Windex and my cleaning products, so I think I'm just going to stick with my regular Windex.
You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you
So I know you guys are probably thinking, oh, what's going on with the dining room, girl? Well, let me just let you know, honey. The dining room is definitely coming along, you guys. I got my rug in. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I also got my table in, you guys. It is so beautiful. So I am definitely working on that video for you guys, and it will be up this Friday. Part 2, phase 2 of the dining room will be up this Friday. I'm going to show you, I'm definitely, you know, finishing up the wallpaper, and I'm not going to paint the dining room because I thought that I needed to paint it, but honestly, my family was just like, no, we like the paint, it's fine. So I'm just going to do some touch-ups and, you know, do the things that I need to do to make sure that the walls are beautiful and clean. And then I am also going to be getting some new pieces in, but that's not going to be in this video on Friday, but you're definitely going to see me doing some painting, some sorts, and, you know, kind of giving you guys an overall look at phase 2. But it is definitely coming along, and everyone is loving it. My husband, he is just like, this is probably the best that the dining room has ever been, and I gotta agree, it looks absolutely amazing. So definitely stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is on so that you don't miss that episode, because it definitely is coming up this Friday.
Sailed and all your dreams are lost. Everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault.
So guys, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys got some cleaning motivation from this video today, and that it kind of helped to get you guys motivated to clean some areas or do some chores that you otherwise would have put off due to, you know, work or busy schedules or things like that. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. Don't forget to subscribe to my All Things Shushana channel, and also to this channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call